Namaskar, friends. In the traditional education system, examinations have often been seen as tools of judgment, pressure, and comparison. For many learners, examinations create fear rather than confidence, and it also creates anxiety rather than curiosity. Teacher training today invites us to re examine this approach and see examinations not merely as mechanism for grading but as opportunities for understanding learners, and that too more deeply. When examinations are seen through the lens of empathy, they shift from being instruments of control to instruments of care and growth. Friends, empathy in examinations begins with the understanding the diverse realities of students. Every child enters the examination hall carrying a different background, learning pace, emotional state, and personal challenge. Some students may struggle with language, some with confidence, and some with circumstances beyond the classroom. A teacher with empathy recognizes that a single test score can't fully represent a learner's potential. Teacher training, teacher sessions like this helps educators design and conduct examinations that respect individual differences and focus on learning progress rather than mere performance. Seeing examinations as empathy also transforms the role of the teacher from an evaluator to a guide. Instead of asking only how many marks did the student get, empathetic assessment asks what did the student understand and where does the student need support. Friends, this approach encourages you to use examinations as feedback tools. Mistakes are bound to happen. Mistakes should be treated as learning signals, not failures. Such an attitude builds trust between teacher and student and reduces the fear associated with assignments. Empathetic examinations promote fairness and inclusion, and flexible assessment methods such as formative assessments, project observations, and reflective tasks are the need of the hour. These methods allow students to express learning in variety of ways, and it reduces the pressure of one-time high-stakes examinations. Friends, when you apply empathy in assessment, you ensure that examinations don't disadvantage students due to anxiety or disability or language barriers or socioeconomic factors. Fair assessment practices help every learner feel seen and valued. Another important dimension of empathy in examinations is the emotional support given to the child. Teachers play a very important role in preparing students mentally for assessments, encouraging words, clear instructions, realistic expectations, and constructive feedback can greatly reduce examination stress. You need to really work hard in that area. You need to see how you assess children, and the assessment ways have to be refined. When students feel emotionally safe, he or she performs better and develops a healthier relationship with learning. At the end, I would like to say that examinations seen as empathy contribute to holistic education. Such examinations assess not only memory but also understanding, application, and growth. Such examinations help teachers reflect on their own teaching practices, and teachers find it easy to bring improvements in their ways. When empathy guides examination practices, students develop confidence, resilience, and self belief. So, this is about today's session, examinations seen as empathy. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, share these videos, and do like if you really like it. Thank you very much. May God bless you all.